Hello, my name is Cynthia Nolan Myers and I'm Head of Education at Art Centre Melbourne, and so that means that I'm responsible for creative programming in the spaces of families and children, access and inclusion, creative learning, which is education and public programming, as well as youth. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I think it's really important to introduce the arts for early learning as well as primary and secondary education audiences, because the arts really are an opportunity to hear stories and perspectives from all different walks of life. And it builds empathy and also creativity, but it creates a sense of shared understanding around our sense of place within the world and who we are within the world, which ultimately creates connections between individuals, but also creates opportunity where you feel you have a sense of agency and identity within the bigger global picture. I hope the future of arts education in cultural venues and also schools continues to grow and prosper, because arts can be a bridge to other learning areas. You teach arts not just because you want to be skilled in a particular instrument or medium, but it creates opportunities for increased literacy and numeracy. It creates opportunities to understand your civics and society as well. So the more we celebrate the arts in being able to have this transformative power, the more it will continue to grow and be valued in the education sector as well as the broader society.